The governor of Kaduna State, Uba Sani, has broken grounds for the construction of a 14.8 kilometers asphaltic road in Chikun Local Council and the reconstruction of a 21.95 kilometer asphaltic road from Madochi to Kafanchan, a road that will link about 70 communities. Well, since assuming office as governor, Uba Sani has performed the groundbreaking of over 70 roads across the state, totaling over 780 kilometers. Arise News correspondent Nisi Gabriel tells us more.
Relief for the residents of Millennium City and its surrounding areas as Governor Uba Sani commences the construction of a 14.8 kilometer asphaltic road. The road, which becomes difficult to navigate during the raining season, will greatly enhance commuters' experiences and improve living conditions when completed. The governor says the road, when completed, will bridge the rural-urban divide and boost economic prosperity since it connects farming communities.
When completed, this road will serve approximately about 70 communities in Millennium City, significantly improving the social, economic, cultural, and political landscape of the area. It will also enhance security in the city and its surroundings. Direct and indirect jobs will be created during the construction period. The road will enhance movement of people and services.
The governor proceeded to southern Kaduna, where he was greeted by a massive crowd with native singers and drummers singing his praises. The governor breaks ground for the reconstruction of a 21.95 kilometer asphaltic road from Madachi to Kafanchan through Madakiya, linking Matsiga waterfall. Traditional leaders and the senator representing Kaduna South expressed satisfaction with the promptness with which the governor is addressing the people's plight.
The governor has graciously accepted us and recognizes us as human beings. He sees us as people that are his brothers and dear to his heart. So we have no reason not to give utmost support to the government.
The governor says his administration will continue to take development to all nook and cranny of the state, irrespective of tribe, religion, and political affiliation.
Our key target is to ensure that we reduce the level of rural poverty. We want to remove all the impediments to our people's socio-economic advancement. We have embarked on integrated and comprehensive accelerated rural development for economic and sustainable growth. This is being achieved by extending the required socio-economic infrastructure that will support work and social lives in our rural communities.
Nisi Gabriel, Arise News, Kaduna.